Hello, and welcome to another enlightening video from UpKeep. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder. We'll be unmasking 6 common myths that have been circulating. From misconceptions about oil reserves to misconceptions about oil usage and production, we're going to set the record straight. Not only will we debunk these myths, but we will also discuss how innovative maintenance can improve the oil and gas industries. So let's not waste any more time and get started. First up, we have the myth that the world is running or will run out of oil very soon. This is a widely held belief, but the truth is, we don't know how much oil actually exists. As time has gone on, we've discovered more and more ways to harvest oil. So it's likely going to take a lot longer than most people think to exhaust our oil reserve. Next, we have the myth that Americans use the most oil. Now, if we're talking about total national consumption, then yes, this is true. But if we look at it on a per capita basis, the United States actually ranks 22nd. So it's not as clear-cut as it might seem. The third myth we're tackling today is the belief that oil is mostly dinosaur bones. This is a fun one, but it's not quite accurate. Most oil is actually derived from plants and peat from prehistoric times. If we crushed all the dinosaur bones in the world, we'd only get a bit more oil, but not much. Moving on to the fourth myth, we have the idea that cars pollute the most by using gas. While cars do contribute to pollution, they're not the only culprits. Airplanes are a major contributor as well, even though most people don't think about them. The fifth myth on our list is the image of oil shooting out of the ground. This might make for a great scene in a movie, but it's not how it usually works. Most oil today is found in sand or in rock and must be pressed out of the gravel or sand. So no dramatic oil geysers in real life. Finally, we come to the sixth myth. If people stop using petroleum-based gas, the world would be a better place overall. While it's true that cutting down on petroleum solutions is a good idea for many of us, people in developing nations still rely on petroleum-based gas for their development. So it's not as simple as just stopping its use. Thank you for joining us in debunking these 6 common myths about oil and gas. We've also highlighted how innovative maintenance can improve these industries. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about UpKeep and our innovative solutions for maintenance and reliability teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you again in our next video.